Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for my new videos. Thank you!
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. So ngayon guys, meron tayong parcel galing kay Lazada. At ang sender natin ay si Tri-Town.
Tapos ano? Tapos ano?
So bali guys, ang order ko rito is fast cable, fast charger cable. So titignan natin guys kung legit si seller or hindi.
Bola lang yan.
So guys, si seller is legit. So ito yung order ko guys. Type C. USB. Type C siya guys. So dalawa yung in order ko. So guys, si seller is legit. Thank you for watching.